And let's take a look at the signature. So I put a couple things in here that I wanted to decorate. So my favorite little pocket made out of book pages. And then I have library card, some tags that I found, and then a library pocket. And then these I got back, oh, I don't even know when, from Tuesday morning. They're Anna Griffin border stickers, so I put those in here so that they matched. And then there's another, yeah, another pocket. All right, so how about we decorate these? I'm gonna leave my paper clips to let me know kind of where I want to put them. I'm trying to cover up this big picture since it doesn't really go with the winter theme. So let's see. This one, I really like the feel of this one. This one is thinner book pages. This one is pretty thick book page, but still pretty cool. All right, and I did some stitching and some inking around it already. And what should we do? Let's get out some fabric. I haven't used this one yet, so maybe we get a little bit of this fabric. My pinking shears. Maybe we'll do a little patchwork on the front of it. I already have a smaller script. I was using this when I was trying to fix my sewing machine when it was acting all crazy. Everything has threads. All right. Okay. Maybe cut this one. And then I'm going to make this one a little smaller too. All right. Let's see. So I have fabric. Fun. And let's see what else. What else? Want some ephemera. Coffee mug. Let's see what else we have in this box of fun. Bunch of stamps. Oh, there's some stickers. Let's see. This might be fun ripped behind. Those are fun. maybe we'll rip with that. And these are all stamps. We can use, look at that, with this little hat. And then there's itty bitty snowflakes. And this is another owl. He's cool. And then this is an owl too, or is this mountains? This might be mountains. Snowflake. Oh yeah, and then some mountains. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's fun. Trees. That'll be kind of fun. Mixed media without getting messy. Ooh, I like the snowflakes too. Oh, that's pretty. Fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna use a couple of those. I think we're just gonna put these and this over here so we can, oops, losing all the stickers. We can use these and they'll just be out ready to go. Okay. So let's see. I think I'm gonna rip. Okay. Maybe layer this on. Like that. And then I think I'm gonna stick this kind of peeking out. All right, so let's give it a go. So I'm gonna get this. Problem with these stickers for me is I can never get the the backs off. Somewhere, there it is. There we go. It's really pretty. Okay. And some glue. There we go. All right. And let's do this one. These are very thin. Perfect for collaging. All right, we'll stick that. Oh yeah, we want this guy. Oh, it's a winter scene. Those are birds, and then there's my gluey hands. Sorry. Let me show you. A deer and some birds and some trees. I thought it was just a splotch of paint. Oh my gosh. I'll fast forward this for you. So you don't have to have the pain. Made it a little smaller because I don't really want to cover it up. Okay. Sorry, I had a couple kiddos. I guess we're in between classes. All right, so let's glue this on. Man, my glue. And then I was looking at my trims, my lace and trim, and I think to cover up this part, Mr. Roosevelt, I'm going to add this. Here. Oops. Let's try that again. There. All right. And then I'm going to add this one to the top of this. There we go. All right, let's add these into our signature. Now I know one of the pictures was bigger, so I think I'm gonna have this one go over here. Might not cover the entire picture because I'm also going to make it so that you can stick a tag behind it. So I'm only going to glue the 3 sides. I might add something here. So then we can stick a tag and it won't go up too high. So that'll be good. And then, so I think I want to come back and either add more fabric to this or lace or something. We'll come back. And then let's glue. Ready to go, this one. Again, just gluing the 3 sides. It's a little higher than I would normally put these, just because of the pictures, but I think it'll be okay. And then this is also a pocket. Probably for a smaller, or I could cut the tag to make it a little shorter. Okay, so today we've done our cover. I'm loving this addition. And that works. Then I glued that down. Nothing is stuck. Even though it's upside down, I think it turned out okay. And then we decorated some pockets. It's not going to be too close. I think it might be. I think I'm going to have to move this over before it dries. I'm going to get the glue off. All right, you know what? Time for some lace. Since that's gonna look kind of silly with the glue, so we'll just kind of add some lace and then it'll look just fine. Oh, come on, glue. So then next time we will continue adding some more decorations to the signature and maybe work on the tags that will go in these pockets. All right, if you haven't, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you are notified when I have a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.